Hey guys, welcome back to Burnout Performance. Today we're going to be working on both of the drift trucks. I'm not sure which one we're going to take drifting next, but might as well get them both ready. This one is getting some changes on the front suspension and rear suspension, and this one we have to fix what we broke in our last video. And then after that's all fixed, we're going to take this one for some test pulls. And so follow along and we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, so the first step here is to get rid of some of this. So what we're going to do is put that in there, and that's going to take that much out. And there is the gap now that I have the spacer in there. So yeah. Next we're going to work on the front. I'll show you when I get it jacked up. Okay guys, we're underneath the truck now, and what you can see here is, look back a little bit, this is the lower control arm here, and it's an aftermarket one, lowering one, but what's happening is at full lock the wheel is rubbing right there. And you can see it's actually taking off the wheel weights there, and then so there's the wheel weight, and then there is like bits of it stuck onto there. Yeah. So we're gonna take these off and put on a wheel with a different offset and see if we can keep it from hitting on full lock. So the powder coating on these is going to shit. Okay, you can see now at full lock between the wheel and the arm there. Yeah, so it's not hitting the arm anymore. So hard to get a good angle here, but there's a few inches of clearance. Next thing I'm going to do is try and loosen the bolt right there and see what kind of camber I can get out of it. Oh yeah, so right there, there's a bolt here and over there, and that should give me some camber. You can see I got the control arm off here. So this is where it mounts there and there. Also this bolt and this bolt here. And that moves back and forth. So what I'm going to do is take this bolt out and then make this slot a little bit longer so I can get just a little more camber out of it. Okay, this is the tool we'll be using. It's a pneumatic die grinder, and safety glasses are a must for this job. Okay, you guys can see here now that I ground those out. There and there. I'm going to put it back together. Okay guys, got the Dodge all cambered in now. The toe in is a little much, but maybe we'll take care of that, maybe we won't. Now on to the taco, and beer for today is Scarcity by Good City Brewing. It's a hazy IPA. Crack her open. Pretty average for a hazy. Not great, not terrible. Here's our shifter mechanism here. And so when we found bolts for it, we let's see if we can get her to focus in here. Yeah, we didn't ever check to see how far the bolts stick out, and that is just not far enough. So we'll have to get some new bolts for that. And one other problem I have is that I dropped a bolt down in there. See if I can get it out. There it is, guys. Holy shit, that was scary. Never drop a bolt in your transmission. Alright dudes, I got the same bolts I had in there just to kind of hold this thing steady for now. I'm going to put the pan back in. I have the pan back in. I got the boot here, and what I think didn't help me out is that it's so tight right here and right here that the torque, if this hit that, it might have ripped them bolts out. So along with getting longer bolts, I'm also going to clearance this hole out to fit the stock boot. So we take this stock grommet piece thing here, put that on there, this way, I'm going to put this on there, line it up like that. As you can see now, I have a pattern I can cut out, and I'll gain all that clearance and all that clearance so that this can't hit this. We got a new bolt for the shifter, so clearly that's going to give me a lot more. And to clean the oil off there, we're going to use some Loctite ODC free cleaner. Okay guys, setting up the camera. This is going to be our first test pull. Oh my god guys, that was fucking awesome. Peeled through third gear. I think I got enough battery life left. Let's try it one more time. Oh my god guys, that was crazy. It pulls all the way through first, second, third, for sure. We are going drifting. I can't wait. Like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends. Peace out.